Welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the incredible benefits of drinking ginger lemon water for weight loss. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to shed those extra pounds, stick around. Let's start with the basics. For this drink, it's best to use organic lemons. Why organic? Organic lemons are free from pesticides and chemicals, making them a healthier choice, especially when you're consuming the peel. Begin by slicing your lemon in half. Each half will provide you with the perfect amount of juice for one serving. Next, take a fresh piece of ginger, about an inch in length. Grate it finely. Ginger is a powerhouse of gingerol, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and metabolism-boosting properties. Boil a cup of water and let it cool slightly. You don't want it too hot, as high temperatures can destroy the vitamin C in the lemon. Pour the water into a cup. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the warm water. Add your grated ginger and stir well. And there you have it. Your ginger lemon water is ready. This simple drink is packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and gingerol. These nutrients work together to boost your metabolism, improve digestion, and help your body burn fat more efficiently. To get the best results, drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows your body to absorb the nutrients more effectively and kickstart your metabolism for the day. Stick to this routine for 2 weeks. Not only will you likely see a difference in your weight, but you may also notice improved digestion, clearer skin, and increased energy levels. But like with anything, there are some precautions to keep in mind. First, lemon juice is acidic. If you have sensitive teeth, consider drinking this through a straw to protect your enamel. Also, if you have a sensitive stomach or issues with acid reflux, you might want to dilute the lemon juice further or consult with a healthcare professional before starting this routine. Many people who've tried this for 2 weeks report feeling lighter, more energized, and less bloated. It's a simple habit that can have a big impact. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Start your day with ginger lemon water and see how it transforms your health and wellness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, comment and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Cheers to your health. See you in the next video.